어제 계획에 롭도 답 한번 용 테스트를 学习 제 안타리가 네 시리 랑가 균에 Tibettv 다 손에 중에 아이 타기도 라베데 대리 타마데레 근데 내가 롭세 망고지 삼아서 学习 직체 니워들라 담마서디 롭다가 시기 타게나 랍고레 롭기 게네니 다시 롭다가 시기 된다 랍투 요사 말에 아니 계속 보고 되는 나갈라더니 지원에니 장세 메와 있느니 아니 예 되는 장와있느니 근데 구글 클래스 나로라 랍기 살라번에 고수이 되는 때문에 일레베 고수이 안달 못는 장도 여번에 이게 파스워드 대티샤고 아디 구글 클래스 나 주시나 달래 두래 대디 파스워드 네. HNG2WRE 드링의 파스워드에 제가 뭐다 이 마시 팀을 Sonam Maths class 6 7 8 란 티어 제가 연락도 많이 6 7 8 냠도 랍기 대선 로가 신이 팔랍기 내가 낭레 고 있는 낭레디 로가 신이 아니면 타왕이 기 랍도 도서 말에 계절이라 angare la te se tambani dan shinge nyima tawal nang le pur de ne a ke sole lo se shima mo jang go de tambani te se de kombu chi dur jang su de chil temuni shingi sa lagwa sa basan la che nang le de chi chi ra te se de tong ba shi de chi sha wo shui an di ma she de ma she de ne whatsapp unity chi de wa chi shan de whatsapp de ne ka dang ang ta ning te sai ke ra de shui chi che ta de de ka ne te 교보 주의 가장 아들 두번을 때 삼아서 저는 교화 되겠다. 아이덴티티 스테이 정보 드니아 랍교 된 안시 델레단 지부ချင်း말은 무샤도 아데 테스트 냥아 첨부 쓰니 고라 딘스 담바니 나타 아이덴티티 스토리 저 아이덴티티 마동이라 얘가 뭐에 말비션 자준 테스트 and then we will do identities. So last week we have completed till multiplication of binomial by binomial divisor. And we'll stick only on the binomial. Multiplication binomial by another binomial. This is stick in that. So that suppose if you have 2a plus 3 and 3a minus 7. This is a small method chart. Right? Distribution properties later, foil later. Then all lela should be small. Make the small lela da. So the first you multiply these two. So then you multiply 2 coefficient, numerical coefficient you multiply this. 2 multiplied by 2, we get 6. A multiplied by A, we get A square. A the A multiplication, we get A square. Okay. That dance you multiply this. They multiply this. Okay. A extreme deche innermost to steba, jangetustana, Kimushugas. A small method to chatura. Okay, A. Now you multiply this 2 over here. Sin lower so product will be negative 2 times 7, we get 14. A the A midi, you copy A this down. Okay, that 3 you multiply it over here. Sin the plus 9A. Or 3 they multiply the product of two different signs, we get negative 3 7 21. Out of these 4 terms, these two are like terms. The like terms you add or subtract. We can add. Unlike terms we cannot add and subtract. So you copy this down. A square. Addition comes with sign chain number chain sign key goes to 14 chain right sign key and then you subtract. You get 5A minus 21. Oh, that is what the multiplication of binomial by binomial. Tangagi activity mongo chimya topic the activity based to my checking a calculation based question malapinda. Suppose first bracket the second bracket ni chipuchiga in aslar. Continuously the taslar. You the thing da. Think it is shortcut to da come bring up just my mara. Okay. Oh, this is aslar. Okay. So that was small. First you multiply this 2. So a multiplied by a, we get a square. Now a, they multiply this. That are the terms near a square. A multiplied by b, we get a b. The activity based just on this. What we done is get the two data basically is close to me. And now you multiply b to b. So b multiplied by a, that a multiplied by b to not 3 multiplied by 2 louder, 2 multiplied by 3 chupara. So a multiplied by b or b multiplied by a means same. So I write a b this is a multiplied by b is equal to a b. A the b multiplied to is lower. Okay. Now you multiply this to this. We get b multiplied by b. B multiplied together, we get b square. Okay. A square plus a b then how need 2 a b plus b square. So the first bracket, the second bracket, you term chipuchi, angi chipuchi, san chipuchi, plus in bana was the different answer. General RTD distribution answer. So a plus b, a plus angi chipuchi can you to stage and the exponent of 3 multiplied by 3. I can write as 3 square. The bracket now chipuchi can do. See right bracket? Can you multiply the bracket a plus b? Or then Temo has a multiplicity, Temuni multiplicity square. So a plus b whole square means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. And this value can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thank you, identity. This is called identity. From the identity get punching me that. From the lens you wish down. Okay, that was division under doing that. And division under chance a second there, then lower. Identity class, when class L identity she or the city, yet do an identity correct, need addition to what? A plus b now do, honey? And the fourth identity in addition to what? In case getting a dustana 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5. That's which can need naslar. Okay, which can need the Halina. 3x plus 5 whole square. Which you need your those. Need not only first the let's first term be a shaslar. First term the a shas 3x. First term the a shalar. And second term the b shasankia. B shaslar 5. That the net is a baslar. A plus b whole square dig to Nakalona and expansion Nakalina a square plus 2ab plus b square of those. Did you check that one to what? Okay, the a is equal to 3x and b equals to 5 in the 3x plus 5 this day. Square is equal to or a sabla you put 3x square plus 2ab means 2 multiplied by a value 3x and b value 5 plus b square 5 square. And this square belongs to 3 and x both. So 3 square, which is the expansion 3 square x square of this square. And the multiplication level 2 to the 6, 6 5 is 30. 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Oh, that 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, 9. X equal to you write x square plus 30x plus 25. Example in your contour. Expand 7m plus 1. Dustena? This is the 7m plus 1 multiplied by 7m plus 1. You want for the tomotony, you put this as A and this is B. So A equals to 7m first term and second is would be which is the second term. We have 1. Okay. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So question is 7m plus 1 square. A solve you put 7m square plus 2 multiplied by A equals to 7m. B equals to 1 plus 1 square. B square. Now A and B total what tension money call lower. And it not falls there. Or 7 square, 7 7s 49. M square plus 2 7s are 14, 14 1s are 14m plus 1 square equals to 1. Again, the twice thing at the TikTok. Oh, the twice. And the buying at the soup. Then I example some that don't matter to the game. So now the culture is first I did that. Okay, first of the second you got break all square na. And I can na a square plus 2ab plus b squared. Go order Yamatuni. This means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. I'm putting in need to record this out. That question day na. Hold a plus b whole square step up. Over here, a equals to 2y, first term, and b equals to second term. Fine. First term 2y, and second term 5 chapters. Okay. And a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. You put value a equals to 2y. Chilo square there on Jashi plus 2 multiplied by a equals 2y multiplied by b plus b equals to 5 square. Or 2 square 4 y square plus 4 5 is 20 y plus 5 square 25. The shortcut on the bang of the light of new tom shower. Fault and chimney putting it out. The much chance on a shake it the net depth of then shake it depth of a plus b whole square a square plus 2a to multiply this 2 to 10 10 to 20 y 2ab plus b square 5 square 25. Then get to some time. That's break it. First term, the second term, you took a day, you got them get a plus store, you got minus in a career slash. This is the color, my a minus b, then tell me you go in a slash. Then I was doing a small thing with a small mass deduction. A minus b multiplied by a minus b. Small pigeon, a multiplied by a square. A multiplied by negative b, negative a b. Or negative b multiplied by a. Okay, negative a b. Negative b multiplied by negative. Sign chipuni juna, we get positive. B multiplied by b, b square. So small so less or there. Okay. That in a light terms correct. A b light terms a square. Negative a b then also need. So negative a b then need plus b square. That's all going there. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Class to the give up which you kissed. Okay. 29 square now. 29 square and the bang 30 minus 1 square that tell or plus 1 catching the res, nothing at the dentist game. The application gel to the market in the Black Nation. That thing I activate not the same at the bang at 10 Thomas or contact you. So now the Kiwaka minus you get the plus the term number to book key, she get the Kima minus 2ab key plus 2ab. So when you put it down. Okay. Take a thing to stand. Okay. 3m minus what say 5 whole square. This is the color 3m minus 5 multiplied by 3m minus 5. That is normal term. First term is this. So a first term a is 3m. Second term b 5. Give us sign minus 2ab to put here. Sign q na sign makina sign then minus 2 over. Then I want plus 2 put in 22. Target the log the bucket amount 2 maturation minus log. So over here minus a minus b whole square. A minus b when you expand we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, fault unit or distribution property unit. Small unit answer the response start the expansion. Multiply. Okay, product number. That a we have 3m. 3m square minus 2 multiply a equals to 3m and b equals to 5 plus b square b equals to 5 square. The square the 3 le square the m thagda. Or 3 square means 3 2 samada 3 times 3 3 3 is 9 m square minus answer. You multiply this two, we get 60 m plus 25. Example you going to whole square. This you write a minus b whole square, and a minus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Give me the plus na plus 2ab. Give me the minus na minus 2ab. Or in this term we have first term is equal to 2x and second term is 7. Sign kiss out that la. Just sign maki a. Okay, we have 2x a equals to 2x. This is the square na. 2 a value 2x da and big value 7 plus big value 7 da anchula square. Then a bracket kaji yore square the 2 da x ni ga tag square de angichi musim do then bracket yore mar 2 square equals to 4 x square plus minus 2 times 4 7 so 28 x plus 7 square equals to 49. That the plus minus or plus minus application de mazukare number with the square same bar square under the identification. Okay, example it is 31 square. 31 square the type the 0 down the 0 then 31 nearest 0 got 30 plus 1 square. 가상 아주 누구 시험 볼 때 같은데 다 identity reason 시험과 가상 비슷한 거 되지. Plus and bar over here a equals to 30 and b equals to 1. 다 나가 주시행다 a b. Okay, a plus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 다 지금 identity는 저기 봐. 30 square 봐. 30 a equals to 30 plus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by b plus b equals to 1 square. Now the magumza test devo yo mar. Timothy I becomes na I can square the lela tour equals to 30 square equals 3 square equals to 9 0 ni theo gặp 0 square 0 ni plus 60 plus 1. Ta 0 plus 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 6 we get 6 9. Ta guessing it is 29 square. The nearest correct 30 ra 30 ne chik thena asum jura ra square. And over here minus to so you use a minus b whole square. And over here a equals to 30 b equals to 1. There. The value shake it a minus b whole square hardo a minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square that is make to the markashi langa lot. Okay, a equals to 30 square minus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. 3 square equals to 9. 0 and you count number of zeros and 0 is double down. 0 ni na city 0 so mena 20 minus 60 plus 1. If you subtract this, we get 840 plus 1, which is equal to 841. Or the a plus b, a minus b application or change. And take it to the right. Young ethics down. 8 square. Yeah. Nearest root to some dark to beat again. Breakdown 48 la angni so da khani khale 0 yu chike 48 la khani do 15 ye do 14 ye do 15 ye do now take the 50 kg 48 le la 15 khase teng ore 15 ne ni teng do okay na 50 minus 2 whole square ta kima sign minus de a plus b k amount you have to use a minus b whole square division okay, a minus b whole square division a minus b whole square a square minus 2ab plus b square that way they got a equals to 50 first term and b is equal to second term 2 sin k sin del s okay 50 square angiching in the 15 bracket unit the bracket minus 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 2 a and b 2 the machine plus b square b equals 2 square 50 square equals to 5 square 25 and 0 need is last double dance number 0 count and double dance or 2 to the 4 4 5 is 20 0 200 plus 4 now you subtract we get 2 3 0 0 plus 4 2 3 0 4 có gì cái lâu ta 8 cái mal bị câu na mà chỉ cái rồi mal bị ya buena a square cái đó cho okay ta nang cái này anh chỉ có che sin chỉ có kia first bracket ta second bracket anh chỉ có sin chỉ có mà nas là plus na first bracket second bracket 니가 anh chỉ có cái 니가 plus sin na middle term sin middle sin plus na 맞아 가르치기 위해서 first term case 어디 아기 찍고 있는 거 니가 sin minus 뭐나 맞아 가르치기 위해서 어디기 그랬어 당기 찍고 있는 sin 로가나 가지고 했어 아기 찍고 있는 sin 로가나 가지고 했어 b first bracket 대시서 second day a b 차샤스라 지금 플러스 게 지금 마이너스 게나 가지고 했어 just distribution property or fold or small 가르치 민 표시다네 디 아고시스나 폼도 상관 되는 수 드라이브셔 Thank you. Small is tamu digde madu chess. Lasa a multiplied by a square. Thank you. A de multiply chess. Sin log dwa we can product negative a b. Oh b de multiply chess. B multiply a we get plus sin equal a b. Or b multiply by negative sin log is a negative b square. Minus negative ab plus ab minus ab cut. So get a square minus b square. That the answer dine double legs ba. That the form sumbo chat orders. 제가 남기다 test 나 말아 차서 돼. test 지지 지금 마시면 마시 니만 좀 고르더라. We have a square minus b square. Sin log minus to sleep yes lad jangi di choose a plus b over here a minus b over here and answer is a square minus b square tang as shortcut to dan do da okay the first term the second term ni de angi chi ko yin ba ngala sin log ina tang ka tin li do slad jangi example chi ngeta fall na chi example sin log ina ki tu na okay 3p plus 1 and 3p minus 1. Then I get the first and 3p plus 1 minus 1. Then I didn't sing on Marda. I didn't machine. I have to use small method. So I'll try to use small method. I'll multiply this over here. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. P multiplied by p square. Now you multiply this 2. Sin log of we get negative 3p multiplied by 1, 3p. Now you multiply this 2 over here. 1 multiplied by 3p, sin equal to plus 3p. And now this multiply this 2. Sin log is negative 1 1 so 1. Cut 9p square minus 1. The 9 the correct square 3p square minus 1 square. Kita ada 3p kata equal to 1 equal to kima sin the minus b do to the a square minus b square. Answer le equal de. Da adini mas step of short. Jadi shortcut to da ina. Thank you example identification and do that. The small bit now. Example into 2y plus 5 2y minus 5. Over here, ang term chupar. First term 2y, bracket second bracket again, first term 2y. First bracket second term 5, first second bracket second term there 5. But the signs are different. Sign chupana plus pitch down there. Nickel plus na I have to use plus, nickel minus na I have to use second part. That's now the sign lower door. This I have to use this part. So the name multiply first term a plus b second term. Over here, this is a and this is b. Give us a minus 2. A plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. And a equals to 2y square. And b equals to minus and b equals to 5 square. 2 square 4, y square minus 5 square 25. And check a shortcut today. Then now. Example going to 7b minus 3, 7b plus 3. Understand? Okay, over here, a minus 3 to b second term. A sin b to you write a. And very low one, you can lower toward that. Plus b to you write b over here. A minus b, a plus b. What you have to say equals to we have a square minus b square. And over here, a equals to 7p square, and b equals to 3 square. 7 square 49, b square minus 3 square equals to 9. Check a pocket, shortcut pay there. Okay, the try that. Day 2. Ah, 9, that this is 9, twice that. Formula temperature. The cat the formula page getting temperature. Tanang yellow did the bus took the level and test temperature saying nature. Of a minus b, a plus b. So a equals 10x, a minus b, or 10x the chukwa. So a 9 chukwa b this sign coverage. Now we have a plus b, so a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square is equal to 10x square minus 9 square. 10 square 100, 10 times 120 matia x square minus 9 square means 9 9s 81. Angi taran karin temara acha man bi shoda square the 2 chung mang borta. Okay. The application number of values evaluation cost picture. The evaluation cost in number 2. Example get to then I didn't some get thought to evaluate or find the value. Find the values, yes. Values. By using identity. Or suitable identity. Angi cutters del power get remember cut the task. Example again to 23 square. Or 23 square the value says. But now identity down 23 I have to break down into 2 in the part. Part in the first part the 0 is case some number that ends with 0. Keep the number 23 lang you show 20 da 32. A current year 23. We 20 is near. So the 23 thing to share. 20. 20 plus cause it over. 3 zamna 23 chilo square and shares. The middle sign plus I have to use first part a plus b whole square to pitch down. And this term a equals to 20 and b is equal to 3. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A equals to 20. 20 square plus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3 plus b equals to 3 square. That the machine is not 20 square 40, so add 400 plus you multiply with 4, 4 3 is 12, 0 plus 9. Now you add unit place 9, 10 place 2, 529. Take a single question. Let's see, 19 square. Say that 19 you should 20 da 10 da 10 타르가 다 니에 다 아니 20 니신이 찍되나 나 죽으라라 인치로 스퀘어 봐 당아 미를 때 많이 써서 I have to use this part 그다 a minus b pitch 나왔어 minus 나 which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square pitch 나왔어 and over here a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 1 first term 20 second term 1 dishes or equals to a equals 20 square minus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square 2 square 4 400 minus 40 plus 1 361 레로다 minus 당연히 안기 유단 일리 줘 the first the second 당기 생이 안기 로간이 주구나 let's say I'll multiply 19 multiplied by 21. 또 니가 기빠라 들어요 갔다. 니가 빠라 들어요. 19 and 21 니가 빠라 들어요 갔다. and 19 and 21 니가 빠라 들어요 한 22. right? then 20를 빠르게 19 will 생긴다. 19 is equal to 20 minus 1. 21 equals to 20 plus 1. right? 당황할 때 기만 a 20 20 equal 1 1 equal 쳐서 we have a minus b and a plus b. a equals to 20 and b equals to 1. a minus b a plus b equals to we have a square minus b square. a equals 20 square minus 1 square. So multiply 20 square 400 minus 1 is equal to 399. Okay. Example you can do that. Then test na. Okay. Yeah, 48. 됐나? Okay. 당 앞주다 시접게다 앞주니 빨아 들어요 하래. 앞주라. 앞주니 삼았다. 시접게 레라 앞주네. 동걸 태우라 니 되나? 시접게라 앞주니 되나 시접게라 그래서. 앞주 가라. 니 돕나? 말아. 앞주 가니라고 뒀어. Okay, in this term, a equals to 50 and b equals to 2. a equals 50, b equals to 2. In the sign it lower the, so a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. The a square minus b is a equals to 50. 50 square minus 2 square. 5 square, 25, 0, 0, minus 4. The things are lower. 2496. 티 먹고 잡아 딱 값고 표시도 안 내려 왔어. 만원씩도. 결국 말로 엘스타 라모션 되게 티에서 monta도 아니면 신선 시계 또 셔. 저거 시계다. 오케이. 계속 들어야지. T multiplied by 97. Okay, 드니 빨아 가도 들어요 가리게. 걔도 솜다 고주고 드니 빨아. Number that ends with 0 in between 103 and 97 is okay 100. 잘 맞힌다. Okay, 100. 100. Guess the Mara 100 plus Hazuli 100 plus 3. Okay, 100 plus 3 equals to 103. Tiksa. Take break you on the Anginiza. Okay, thank you, 100 Kisara. Tom Lela only 100. Okay, I'm using 100. Gubju could do a Galaba, Dongore, Tengora. Tengora, Gen tens. Gen Kazutenanga could do this. Jane, some tenanga could do some to steer. Tanga had 3 multiplied by 100 some downward. Tagado A plus B, A minus A blue, Puchipoto, Mao, Chipoto, sign lower the. So I use A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B. Give the teacher the bang at the teenage tour and tea till I'm not later and temperature mark. She another jam and pajamadan and temperature. So A equals to 100. 100 square minus 3 square. So 1 1 so 1 0 ni dwa you double it. Check ni som si minus 3 square equals to 9. Now you subtract 9 9 9 1. So call leloda. Okay. That two the third part of the Tanaka question did they cure. Dele na church. Part dine del power. Come to dinner alone too late. Or did to for example, find the value of 17 square minus 16 square dinner. A square minus B square equals to A. 17 plus 16 and 17 minus 16. What was the stuff? 17 is multiply answer 10 16 multiply 10 A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. Shake it swap. And do you add, we get 33. Multiply you subtract, we get 1. So 33. See the trick in the algebraic expression is later. Oh, going to stay in age. Okay, this is 102 minus, let's say 100 square. 102 square minus 100 square. The 102 rough set remove over. Then the one she get 102 plus 100 A plus B and A minus B. So A equals 102 and B equals to 100. You add, you get 202. Multiply by 2. You multiply, so get 404. Got together, change one. See, get Lela. Okay, today I didn't know it's so third identity layer. So then I'll share. That I didn't tell you some machine machine. Use last identity. And this is largest part. Widest part identity. That there are only Tamun you chip in us. Chipina, a plus into the body pitch dance. Tamun you term Tambo than you when the first bracket, the second bracket, Angichipina, San Loga and minus na, the pitch dance. Angichiperde and term Angichiperde, San Loana, are the pitch dance. That dinner, term chick chipotuina, term Shember Lord to Naslar. Galita. Okay, then I'll lower the term x, Tamudre x, new the x. That's the first term in Chiboche. Someone Logana, a file machine identity or Maris, for shortcut method or Maris. The dinner one, term Chichipotas, term Tambuchinere, notion Chichipotes. Then Shabbat Loga in us, plus the minus kilometers, plus a shuna. Okay, plus a shauna. Only a plus to Pajudi. Okay, plus B which ashes. That did not bit, and it's put it to those. Rashable Lord. Then a smile method shooting a formula drop minus a smile method in Maku. Okay, multiply by using smile. X key, X like Gunda. we get x square. Right? X ki b le yu da bx. X ki a x le yu da plus ax. A ki de yu da plus ab. I give you two things. Smart in between these two four terms, where x value or these two are like terms. Right? So x square a bracket a the b terms multiplied by x common x temperatures plus ab. Then you got x to x common temperatures. Okay. That did it. Saying I did this. X plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This can be used to use it. How go le la jing it kala no. B mo da b it mau da a B 상황 보다. B 두신데. 당아 가래. 디즈니 로가서 꼭 검도 검 봤지? 내가 갈래네. B다. A니 또 마스라데. 될라? A다. B디 줄을 나래. 도스데. 동 레벨나. 당어서 check it. Question didn't check it. Debab sigar. Okay. Thank you. Example 6 t plus 4. Now plus put out. T plus 3 this time. Obviously, first terms are equal. Same dot t the chipper dot, but second terms are different. Second term the chipper na attention to the page some. That in alone, it x sub x kidwa. Okay. So the x chipper the x sub la t das. First bracket दिखा ना 4 thing a shas de. Okay. तो दिखा दो b das. Second term के second bracket b shas. First term के second term the a res. और bit को दे x scalar. तांगा खा रहे x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b. A b to the a multiplied by b to what? Okay, now we have x subla you put t square plus a plus b means bracket first bracket second number 4 plus 3 check actually x to x subla you put t plus a multiplied by means 4 multiplied by 3 log from the. So you have t square plus 4 plus 3 7t plus 12. Circle, shake the swap shares. Oh, yeah, this. Go to Kabuchi. Then example you condo. Then we simple do that. N plus 5 n plus 3 do still. The repeat kaju repeat m chido or the x chalo x plus a x plus b x thing sabla m to so x sabla m your task. First bracket the a do or first bracket second number a the first bracket second number the a shas we have 5. Second bracket second number the b in the second bracket the b value 3 shas. Then if formula the picture in das so x plus a x plus b the account x square plus a plus b bracket x plus a multiplied by b the layers. In this term x subla m your task m square plus a plus b a equals to 5 plus b equals to 3. Actually x subla you put m. The question a variable current repeat division plus a multiplied by b means first term a and 3. A and B. This is m square plus 5 plus 3 8 8m plus 5 3 is 15. Okay, there. That the identity minus in the loga. So the first term minus na to the loga, second term minus na to the loga. Now from the Mongoose Charu. So the Karki then no sign current to put map of cash from the Tarbish minus lay. Okay. From the minus in a plus Lela, another ration number that someone also do good. But still was all score good. See there. Shortage time in the bank, what did you watch? I'll link you. Okay, stay slow and take a word. Average the also good. I just see to it. Take a thing at the sooner. Okay, to stay that 2y minus 3 times 2y plus 5. The number currently be 2y be or 2y the x out. So x is equal to 2y. Number current first bracket second but current be the repeat you get 2y as the x out. Okay, now you take second term of the first bracket the a shares. -3 you carry -3. Okay, second term of the second bracket the sign the someone to keep positive in the type of you station negative na negative 5 keep positive in the type of 5 to share. Okay, now you use this part x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b. The digital test credit equation and polynomial class 10 test later. The application should say class 9 later. Now do it. Okay, so x square x you put 2y. Okay, 0 square square plus a equals to -3. That's sign him plus b equals to 5. X you put 2y. A multiplied by -3, b equals to 5. 2 square equals to 4, y square. On the other hand, the sign log so at the right side large level 2y plus regular sign log we get -15. Or next you remove the brackets. So we have 4y square you multiply plus 4y product of two different signs with -15. Integer change that work or example you want to do that. Comparison to young eyes and you take instruction by collision by 2. Okay. N plus 7 m minus 5. So what is repeating? M. So x is equal to m. So second term of the first bracket is a, positive with 7. Second term of the second bracket is b, -5. Okay, so x plus a times x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b to start. Now you put value x you have m square plus a equals to 7, b equals to 5. Sign into this kid plus minus magic. They carry the and then x you put m. The mango they two daddy. Let the temperature. A multiplied by b. A equals to 7 multiplied by -5. M square plus 2 m to bracket m to say that plus -35. Now you remove the bracket. M square plus 2m minus 35. This comparison door. That the mang at the some of the much lapina test course. To the giving at the rest again. There was the bit of some so I am. And I jangled the mountain bring a Google class and a mountain and a lap shaking the exercise the yamdo. The delicate Google class depend on Chay on. The Chingena. Number like a mouth depend on Chay on Rosamudo. No, I bye bye. Ani conseil kiu da nyam do le yi jang lo chi shue yi Bye bye.